Tired of dealing with your toilet constantly clogging? Trying to clear those pesky clogged drains with dangerous rental machines that never work right? Are you paying the plumber multi-hundreds of dollars a year to keep the roots at bay in our sewer? Fact is, traditional drain cleaning never completely cleans the drain. It simply bores a hole through the drain, allowing the water to flow again. Stop traditional drain cleaning. DeHart is happy to introduce Hydrojetting for all of your drain cleaning needs. Hydrojetting is a drain cleaning process using high-pressure water to blast roots, grease, food, calcium, and scale to the next century. The ultra-high pressure of the water combined with the specialized oscillating nozzle heads and 12 GPM of water flow scrubs and flushes the inside of the drains, restoring it back to factory-fresh condition. Call now at 785-341-4193 or visit us online at DeHartPlumbing.com and schedule your hydrojetting service today.